I've got the full face of makeup on and fake eyelashes today. Who am I? Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today I have this is a clothing haul, you guys, and I have got a kind of like a collective clothing haul because I have picked up a few bits and pieces from different stores over the past 2-ish months, something like that. So I wanted to do a try on haul for you guys. Yes, this is one of them that I'm wearing. I did not put this in my try on portion because I got it yesterday and I had already filmed the try on portion before I got it. So I filmed the try on portion yesterday, so I'm gonna look different than this, but this is what I got. It's a onesie and it's great and I love it. It's amazing. I got this from Old Navy, but I really like it, and I got mine in a size small, but it's still kind of a little bit loose, so it's not like skin tight or anything like that, but I actually really like it, and I wanted to do my makeup like green because this is green and I want it to be matchy. So, but we have a haul. I've got stuff from Free People, Urban Outfitters, Abercrombie and Fitch, and something from this brand called Pink Lily. Really cute. So without any further ado, let's jump on in. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you and click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. The holiday season is upon us, and I'm doing a lot of really fun festive holiday stuff over there. So if you do follow me, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. But let's go. It sounded like Cherry Wallace just then, but let's go because I've got a lot of good things to haul for you. Okay, so let's start off with some accessories. I got 4 beanies, you guys. They're all right here, and listen, I have never ever been a beanies person, but let me tell you right now, this beanie right here changed that immediately. This is the chunkiest beanie I've ever seen. This is from Urban Outfitters, and I got this one when it was on sale. It was, I think, originally like 30 bucks. Like, it's expensive, but like I got it on sale and it ended up being like $15 after that, something. So yeah, I actually super love this beanie. It's huge, it's massive, the knit is so big. I feel like making one of these beanies wouldn't, actually it probably is super hard, but I don't really know, but it's so cute, and I love this like beigey kind of color, and I'm really into that. I'm doing try-ons of all these, so you'll see the beanie on my head too, but yeah, I love this one. And then after I got that one, I decided, you know what, maybe I am a beanies person, because I've always thought beanies didn't look right on me because I do have side bangs, so like I always felt like it like pushed my bangs down really bad and it made my forehead look weird. I don't know, but that beanie changed the game and now I'm obsessed with beanies. So I got 3 more. These are from Abercrombie and Fitch. They are not as chunky knit, but they still are really chunky, and I love this one. It's just a white one. I wanted one of all colors, so like, well, neutral colors. I may get some really fun colors later on, but right now I just got these neutral colors that you can wear with anything. So I've got this white one, super duper cute. And then I got a black one because I feel like there are things that I have, like if I were to wear this, I wouldn't wear it out, but if I were going to wear this to like my parents' house for Christmas or like hanging out with a friend or chilling here, I would wear this beanie with it because it's got black in it, so it would match better. So I got a black one, really nice, and all of these have these adorable little pom-poms on the top, and they're just so freaking cute. And then this is one of my favorites. I got this brown, and I'm so into, you know what's so weird? I like the color brown. Like, I think brown is like super in right now, and I don't know why. My favorite shade of brown is like dark chocolatey rich brown, kind of like something like this, but like in clothing, oh, it's so sexy. Like, I love it. But like this brown right here is more of like a teddy bear brown. It's really cute, and I love this one. It's super duper cute, and it's got the little pom-pom as well. So yeah, I've got 4 beanies. And I'm really liking them. I like the way these look on my head as well. They don't like smash down my bangs too bad. Actually, I used to be a beanie hater, but now I've seen the light. Next up, I've got this from Urban Outfitters. Now, this is not something that is wintertime appropriate, but I thought it was the cutest freaking thing. And I think that you can make this wintertime, but this is the most adorable little romper. And yes, it is a romper. It looks like a dress, but it has pants at the bottom. You're not gonna be able to see that. It looks like a skirt, but I promise it's a romper. But it's the most adorable little thing, and it looks so cute on. Like, I'm actually in love with it. And you know how I am. I love stars and moons and astrology and astronomy. I'm so into that kind of stuff. You can't see it, which makes me so sad, but I got a moon. You still can't see it. That actually makes me sad because it's right up there, but you can't see it. Maybe I'll put in like a little clip of it in my vlog camera. But it's like a little tapestry thing, and I got it from Urban Outfitters. No, I got it from Amazon, and it's like just moons and stars, and it's the moon cycle, and it's above my bed, but it's just out of frame, which makes me sad. But I just love stuff like this. I have a sun mirror in the living room. I have a moon mirror in my living room. I just love the moon. I don't know why, but so here's this, really adorable, and it fits literally like a glove. It fits so well, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. I think you could put this, since it's a romper, you could 100% put, and you could do it with a dress too, but you can put like some tights with it, or like some thermal tights, something like that, to make it a little more wintertime appropriate. And then you could wear like some Doc Martens, throw on a coat, and that would still be an adorable winter look as well, but you can 100% also wear this for when it gets warm outside. So yeah, I got that. Next thing right here, I actually forgot to do a try on this, but this is just a coat. So I'm going to show it right here, but I did forget to do a try on of this. But this is a coat. I got this from Old Navy, and it is super cute. I'll actually put up an Instagram picture of me wearing this coat. I'll put it right here so you can see what it looks like. But it is such an adorable coat, and it's very good quality, and I really like it. I love the color and the pattern. It is super warm, so I'm really into this coat, and I like it a lot. I actually, they're totally sold out on the website right now. I'm sure they're gonna get some back in stock, because I wore this to my parents' house a few weeks ago, and my mom was like,
"Hi, can you order me one of those? I really need one of those."
I'm like, all right. So as soon as one comes back in stock for her, we'll order it. But yeah, I love this. It's really cute. I got mine in a small, and it's a regular. Old Navy does have petites as well, and talls, I believe. My mom needs a petite because she's short. So yeah, but I got mine in a small. Also, I got a small in this. Next up, from Urban Outfitters, I've got this little set. I have this in blue as well. I'm really sorry about my chair. It's very squeaky. But I have this in like a pastel sky blue as well, but I also wanted to get it in this gorgeous brown color. See, this is the kind of brown that I'm obsessed with. This actually does pull a little more rust on camera, but it is definitely like a chocolate brown. It's beautiful, and it's a cropped sweater. We all know I love me a good cropped sweater. And then it comes with these little shorts, and they're like sweater shorts, and they are the cutest little thing. I'm obsessed with these. They're so cute. They fit so well. I got a medium in the shorts and a small in the top. They are sold separately, so you can pick different sizing on each one, so I think that's really good. But these are the cutest little shorts, and I am in love with these, and it's such good quality. They are so soft and comfortable. I wear my blue set a lot, but for the winter time, I just thought this brown set just like, it was a vibe, okay? It was a vibe. So I got that, and I'm obsessed with it. I need to find another word to say other than obsessed and cool and cute. Like, I need to expand my vocabulary. Next up, this is something that I got from Pink Lily. This is a one-off item. I actually found Pink Lily by Coffee Break with Danny. She was wearing a sweater, like a hoodie, from them that I thought was super duper cute. And then I went to the website, I saw this poncho, and I was like, hello? I've never ever owned a poncho before. This is my first one that I ever have, and I am obsessed with it, you guys. It is so fun. It's turtleneck. Up here it has a turtleneck detail situation. It's so soft. It is knit, so like if you have any animals, I would not let them on you while you're wearing this because their little nails are gonna rip this apart. But it is really super duper soft and it's very long. I love this poncho. It's really hard to show right here on camera, but you will be able to see it on me when I try it on. But it's really cute. Again, my mom, I wore this to my parents' house about a week ago, and my mom saw that and she goes, "Where did you get that one from?" And I said, "Oh, I got it from Pink Lily." And she goes, "Well, I'm gonna order me one." I let her try this one on while I was there, and she goes, "Yeah, I'm gonna order me one." So she did, and she actually got it yesterday. As I'm filming this, she got it yesterday. And yeah, she really liked it too. So they have loads of different colors as well. They have one that's like a red and black. They have one that's a different kind of brown. They have a lot of different options, but this one was my favorite because it had green and it looked very festive. So I love this cute little poncho. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I really like it. Alright, you guys, the last three things here are from Free People. Now this is something my boyfriend actually bought for me. This is one of my Christmas presents from my boyfriend because I wanted this so bad and I didn't want to buy it myself because it was too expensive. So I told him about it and he goes, "Oh hey, I'll get it for you for Christmas." And I was like, how do I don't deserve you. What have I done to deserve you? You're fantastic. So babe, if you're watching this, thank you so much for this tunic. It's my favorite thing and I wear it like every day. So here is the tunic. This is from Free People again. I got it in a size extra small for this one because it runs very oversized, but it is this kind of like acai dark purple color. I swear it is my favorite thing that I own right now. I love it to literal pieces. It's very heavy. I've got the sleeves cuffed just because I like it that way. If you run between like a small and extra small, I would probably recommend getting just a size down. Just whatever size that you do run, I would recommend getting a size down just because it is very, very big. Normally I would just be a small, but for this I knew that it was going to be massive, so I did size down and get an extra small, and it's still pretty oversized on me. Not by much, it looks really good, but like the perfect amount of oversized. But if you want a more dramatic oversized look, then just go with your normal size. I love it. And again, they have so many different colors. They have a pink one, they have a blue one, they have a green one now, I think. They have like a blush peachy color. I have so many and it's so beautiful. It has a really, really big cowl neck, turtleneck situation, and I am literally in love with this tunic. I love it so much. Next up from Free People is a dress, and I actually still have the tag on these. I keep the tags on everything, I swear, but this is a dress and it's actually really nice. It is more of a sweater dress, but I will say it does fit a little weird. It's really long, but it's really, really pretty, and it has an open back right here, which makes it really nice. And the sleeves are pretty like puffed sleeves, so if you don't like puffed sleeves, then you may not like this dress, but I thought it was really cute. And it comes in this cream color, it comes in like a cinnamon brown color, and I think black. Oh no, it's beige. It's a beige color, and the beige one was like 100% always sold out. But I really like the cream color because I have over the knee brown boots that I feel like would go perfect with this, or you could do over the knee black boots as well. So I liked this a lot. I still really like the dress. It does fit a little bit awkward on me just because like I feel like this dress is made for people that are cut like this. You know, that I saw it on the model. I actually got this from Macy's. I didn't get it direct. Oh wait, no, I got this one directly from Free People. So I went to Macy's or Dillard's or wherever it was that sells Free People in their store, and then I tried one on and it just looked really odd, but I saw it on the little mannequins and I was like, oh well, it looks so cute on the mannequins. And my mom goes, well yeah, the mannequins don't have any like hips or anything. And I'm like, oh, maybe it's just meant for, like, maybe it just looks the best on a certain body type. I don't know. But I ordered one anyways. And I don't know why, because I do like it, but it doesn't fit that. You'll see in the try on, it looks a bit weird. To me anyways. If I'm just insane, and if you think it looks great, please let me know because I'm really undecided. But I got that. And then the final thing I got is also from Free People, and I got this on sale, you guys. I actually found this from, there's a girl on Instagram that I follow. Her name is Jaglever, and it's Jaglever, and I think it's pronounced Jag, not Jag. I think it's Jaglever, something like that, but her name is Rachel, and she actually wore this in an Instagram post, and I thought it was the cutest thing, and she was like, yo, it's also on sale on Free People, and I looked. This thing is like originally $120, and I'm like,
No.
so, but it was on sale for $55, so that's when I went ahead and picked it up. And I really love this like forest mossy green color. I think it looks really, really cool. And I just put it with a black crop top and some jeans. And I think you have a whole look. You can wear it tied up, you can wear it open. And I think it's really, really nice. It is a bit oversized because I think it's meant to be kind of like a shacket situation, like a shirt jacket kind of thing. I did get it in a size small, but the quality is really great, and I do prefer it tied up because it really cinches in your waist. I like that look. It reminds me of a trench coat. But yeah, this one's really, really nice, and I love the color. The buttons are really sturdy, so yeah, I can't complain. You guys, that has been my collective holiday haul, and I hope that you did enjoy it. What was your favorite thing that I hauled from today's video? If you have anything that I hauled today that you also have, let me know what you think about those items in the comments because I would love to know that. But again, I hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.